how to order Flybuys replacement card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get a new card on Flybuys, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you happen to lose your Flybuys card and then you would like to get a new one, it's actually quite fairly simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go ahead and then first of all open your browser. So remember, you have to go to flybuys.co.nz from your browser and not from the app. So once you are logged in on your browser, I'll make sure to drop a link here. You can see view all balances, so just go to the view all balances tab there. And then once you go to the view all balances tab, from there what you want to do is simply go to this option called view all cards. So just tap the view all cards option that you should be able to find here. When you go to view all cards section, you'll be able to see the current card. But if you happen to lose this and then you would like to order a new card, which is to get a replacement card, you'll find a little button that says get a replacement. So then you can just tap the get a replacement option here, and then you'll be able to enter the name on your card as well as also the card access. Tap on the request new card option to request a new card for Flybuys. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically get a new card on Flybuys. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.